awesome one coming from Ukraine. And this one is from Ziferblat. I think that's the name. And the title is Bed of Prey. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's just get straight into it. Let's go.
Зайдеш і до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка, серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся, доля довірила світ останній без нас. Я світло шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you flood, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of prey. Вертайся додому, рідна стежка, спів перелітних пташок народить весну. Fly, but I'm begging you, just care of me and my little bird. Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me and my little bird of
Alright, lovely people, that's an amazing one from Ukraine, Bed of Prey. You know, when you see me enjoying the song, it means I love the song. I'm enjoying the song and I'm actually in the groove. I don't know about you. Are you a Ukrainian fan? Are you from Ukraine? Then support your own. Fight for them to come up. That's what I'm saying. I'm just motivating people to, go out there. If you're supposed to vote. If you're supposed to show any love of any kind, just do it, my people. Don't wait for the competition to be over and your country will be just coming home like that without nothing. Fight for your country. Make sure your country comes up with flying colors. So Ukrainians, it's all up to you. For now, I'm going to go out and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Salute. I'm out.